You know what time it is? It's tax write-off time. Got me a new shirt. That's tax write-off. 54 bucks, venco.com. Right here in United States of America. Free advertising. I'm like a walking billboard here, looking nice, sharp, shining. Fix Fence LLC, that's me, baby. Check this out here. Look at these here. Look at these beautiful little buttons here. I've been making a lot of little buttons here. Check it out if you like one. Leave a comment behind. I know it's kind of quick, but you can stop the video. 1 for 2. 3 for 5. Hey, I wanted to tell you, I used this Northwest Quick Pull today. I got some other videos on that. Really a great tool. I had a problem taking a 6 5/8 post out today, full of concrete, 3 feet deep. This thing was massive, huge. Go! Good! Good! Oh my God, I was tired. But we got it done. Anyway, I just want to show you the new shirt. It's a tax write-off. That's right, it is. It's a tax write-off. Check it out. It's advertising. Just like neon sign I got coming up from Ornate, I think it is, whatever. Safety orange. It's going to be the logo, and it's a neon sign. And another tax write-off. You learn these things. It's going to look good in the window. Fix a Fence LLC. That's me. 503-935-2331. You guys keep smiling and have a great day.